Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out ShareASale and you're wondering, is this a good way for you to start generating income online? What is this all about? Is this a good affiliate marketing network? Is it legit? And is this a good way for you to make money online? All right, so I'm going to do a full review of ShareASale and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. All right, now at any time if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below and I'll send you that strategy for free. You can check it out if you want. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money on this channel, all sorts of different business models, affiliate networks, courses, free and paid websites, and some of them are great, some of them are so-so, and some of them are just straight up a waste of time. All right, so let's check out ShareASale to find out whether this is a good use of your time. So ShareASale, 100% legit affiliate marketing network, very, very good. It's been out here for a very long time. They've generated $200 million a year in sales. They've got about 25,000 brands that you can partner up with. All right, so the way it works is it's a very big affiliate network. They work with a lot of big brands, all right, big and small brands. And they have worked with these brands to create affiliate programs, and you as an individual, as a marketer, you can come to ShareASale, you can set up an account for free. So you would just sign up here, right? So you would click on affiliate sign up because you would be an affiliate, all right? And then once you sign up as an affiliate, you give them all your details, you can get access to their merchants, right? So you would come into affiliates here, you would come down to merchants, all right, and I've opened up the page here already, and you can see that they have a lot of merchants. Okay, so this is how much their affiliates have earned last year, almost $1 billion, which is crazy, right? This is how big affiliate marketing is. A lot of people don't realize that. When you understand how to market other people's products online and then you get paid a commission, it is a very, very powerful thing. About 260 new affiliates join their network every day. And well, they say they've got 15,000 plus brands. They've got, yeah, between 15,000 and 25,000. I think they haven't updated this recently, right? Now, in terms of the categories, the thing that I like about ShareASale, which by the way is part of AWIN. AWIN is actually a very large affiliate marketing parent company network, right? You can check them out as well. They have access to a lot of different categories, right? They've got 39 categories that you can sell into. So it really depends on what kind of product you want to sell. What kind of following do you have? What kind of email list do you have, right? Are you an influencer in the tech space? Are you an influencer in the celebrity space? Are you an influencer, or do you have a following on, one of the social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok? Do you talk about cars? Do you talk about clothing? Do you talk about the internet? Do you talk about e-business, right? And so they've got a lot of different categories here. For example, accessories. Let's actually go to the start. They've got SEO, right? Sports and fitness, games and toys, travel, general web services, webmaster tools, weddings, okay? Accessories, art, music, photography, auction services, business, automotive, clothing. You get the idea. They've got a lot of different categories, right? Education, family, financial, freebies, food and drink, a lot. Gourmet, green, health, home, web hosting, insurance, okay? Marketing, books, military, wow, moving supplies, legal. Okay, so let's check out some of the big ones, right? So health is a very big space. Let's click on health. And let's have a look and see what kind of programs that they have and what are the commission rates that you can expect, okay? So please understand that with all affiliate programs, every single affiliate program is different, right? And so the thing about ShareASale is they work with a lot of different types of companies, everything from really big corporate clients to pretty small mom and pop shops, right? The commission rates range very, very, very wide. Some programs only pay you 1% commission. That means if you make a recommendation sale through your affiliate link and someone buys, you only make 1% of the sale, which is very little. But it goes all the way up to 100% commission. So it just depends on what you're selling, all right? But for the most part, if you are recommending a physical product, like you're selling, for example, a massaging tool, right, for your back, or you're selling a microphone, for example, or you're selling food or services like an online web service, the commissions are generally a lot lower. All right, anything under 10%, that's usually where, it's like 10, 12, 15% around there, okay? So let's have a look at some of these and you'll see the percentages. Let's look at Salt and Stone, okay? Salt and Stone right here. You can see here, okay, Salt and Stone, for the partner program, you can, blah, blah, blah. And obviously, when you become a member, you'll actually see, what kind of products. And you can Google Salt and Stone if you want. But you can see right here, 10% sales, all right? So let's just say the product costs $100. You will make $10. If the product costs $50, you will make $5. All right, so 10% commissions is pretty low. 30-day cookie. That means that when somebody clicks on your link, there will be a cookie put on your potential prospect's browser, and if they buy from the Salt and Stone website at any time within 30 days, you will get attributed the sales. That's how it works. So 30-day cookie is pretty standard, I would say. Some affiliate networks have a much longer cookie, 60 days, 90 days, even 120 days, which it makes it easier for you to get attributed to the sale, which is cool. Okay, so 30 days is pretty short, but that's pretty standard for industry. 10% is very low commissions. Okay, so let's just go through a few more just to give you a feel, right? Let's look at primarily pure. All right, I just want to show you the commissions. Okay, so again, this is a skincare products, right? Workshop, and would love for you to join spreading the word, right? So again, a CPA 7%, also very, very low, right? 30-day cookie window. So again, a lot of these products under 10%, and that's generally quite little. All right, but you know, it does give you access to a lot of products. So let's check out another category like home and garden, for example. Let's look at X-Chair. All right, just to see the commission rates, because that's important. Okay, so you can see here sale commissions up to 60%. Sorry, up to 6%. That's very low as well. Okay, order size above 1,100. So their price points are higher, right? So quite difficult to sell that. But the commission rate is very low. Even 6% commission rate at $1,000, that's not that much. 1,100 times 6%, that's $66. Okay, so you have to understand that a lot of these products, unfortunately, the commission rates are pretty low, but it gives you access to some really wide categories. Let's look at one final one, insurance. Okay, so let's look at like Brightco, for example. So you can see here, okay, so we offer $10 per qualified lead for an insurance application completion and $5 for shopping sites. 40-day, 45-day tracking cookie. Okay, so this is different. Because this is an insurance offer, right? What they want is, this is a CPA offer for qualified lead. So that means that if you have a following that are interested in insurance or in financial services, right? Or financial management or whatever it is, and you send them to this, it's probably going to be an application form, and they sign up with an insurance application form, that's called a cost per acquisition offer, and this company Brightco will pay you $10 per lead. So this is slightly different. This is not a sale that you need to generate. This is a completed application that you need to generate. But in order to do this, you need to be driving people, you know, targeted people that are interested in filling out applications for insurance. That means they are looking to get an insurance policy. Okay, so see, it's good for money bloggers and creators of online financial content, which is true. Okay, so you need to either have a money blog, which is already really big. Maybe you're getting like 10,000, 50,000, 100,000 visitors a month, or you are a creator of online financial content. Maybe you've got a TikTok account or Instagram or Facebook Reels account, YouTube Shorts account that is talking about online financial content. This might be a good thing for you to sell. Okay, so there are a lot of different offers, as you can see on ShareASale, right? And I think the big issue here is that, well, I've only shown you a couple of examples, but a lot of them, the majority of them, will only, you know, sell you commissions at 10% or lower, unfortunately. All right, and I think that's the problem. Yes, you can get access to programs with slightly more, but the bulk of what they offer, their brands, the commission rates are quite small, and so that might be a bit difficult for you as a marketer to do well. There are other networks out there that will offer higher commission rates, 50%, 40%, 60%. It will be easier for you to actually make more money, make more profit if you're recommending that kind of product. Okay, and we'll talk about that in a second. But overall, I would say ShareASale is a very reputable affiliate marketing network. It's a good way for you to get started. You can access, you know, 15 to 25,000 brands. That's a lot of brands, okay? And you can join from anywhere in the world, which is nice. Now the payouts, they pay out the 1st and the 15th of every month after the refund period, okay? Because every product might have a refund period. Some don't, some do, some don't. And they pay out directly through bank transfer or through Payoneer. So if you're international, outside of the US, and they can't do a bank transfer, they will pay you through Payoneer. Payoneer is very good. It's like PayPal. I receive and make payments through Payoneer as well, so a very reputable source. So that's one way that you can get paid. Okay, so ShareASale, you can check it out at shareasale.com. I think the thing about ShareASale is that There's nothing wrong with the network. It's a great network. The big issue with ShareASale, just like a lot of affiliate networks, it doesn't matter what affiliate network you use, whether it's ClickBank or JVZoo or Warrior Plus or ShareASale or Flex Offers, or Affiliates. There's so many networks out there, right? There's like 30, 40, 50 networks out there. The big problem with a lot of them is they don't teach you how to market. Okay, so this is a place where you can come to and you can get product. But if you're a beginner, so for example, if you're watching this video right now and you're a beginner affiliate marketer, you've never made any money with affiliate marketing. Maybe you understand that affiliate marketing is a $12 billion industry. It's something that you want to learn. You know you can make money from it, but you've never made a sale before, right? They don't teach you how to recommend their products. Okay, so this is generally for people that already know what they're doing, or they are already a content creator. So that means they've got a very big following on a blog, which is actually a very complicated thing to do. It's very hard to have a very successful blog. Or maybe you're like a creator, or you have a very huge following, or you're an influencer on one of the big social media platforms, maybe Instagram, maybe TikTok, maybe Facebook Reels, or whatever it is, okay? Then it's easy for you to just plug in your link from one of these products and then you can sell it. But again, even if you're one of those people, making 5% commission, 7% commissions is really little money. Okay, you want to focus on something that's paying you 50% commissions, 60 or 70% commissions. So that's, I would say, the big issue with ShareASale, right? But if you want to check them out, there's still a very, very big database for affiliate programs, and you can come here and start finding some good products for you to recommend. Okay, now if you are watching this video and you are a beginner and you have no idea what to do, you don't know the strategy, you don't know where to pick products, you have no idea, you really want a step-by-step, I've got a free training program, if you would like, that will show you how to go from zero to your first $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing, and it's going to show you where to access products where you can find 50%, 60, 70% commissions, sometimes even 100% commissions, how to structure your business in a way so you increase your conversion rate, which is much, much higher than the industry average of 1%. We're talking about 5 to 10% conversion rates. If you would like that training, I will show you that for free. All you need to do is just click the link below and I will send you that training for free if you would like to check that out. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of ShareASale. Take care, all the best, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.